Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your device is ready. Sign into the same Apple ID, then enable iCloud Photos in Settings Photos. Once done, plug the iPhone into power and join a reliable Wi-Fi network. Large downloads needed. Make sure you have free storage listed under Settings General iPhone Storage. If you don't, clear some apps or media. This prepares the phone to download originals instead of thumbnails and avoids interruptions during the transfer process. Now switch the setting that controls what's stored locally. Go to Settings Photos and tap Download and Keep Originals. This tells your iPhone to copy full-size images from iCloud to local storage. Once selected, the system begins downloading, so keep the phone connected to power and Wi-Fi because large libraries can take hours. While it runs, check the Photos app for progressively higher resolution previews and revisit Settings iPhone Storage to watch use space grow, confirming files are arriving. Complete the process by verifying a few photos. Open an image, view details, and confirm the file size increased. This proves originals are local. If downloads stall, try basic fixes. Reboot the iPhone, reconnect to Wi-Fi, or toggle iCloud Photos off then on. Make sure you remain signed into the same Apple ID. If problems persist, free additional local storage or sign out and back into iCloud to reinitiate syncing. One key troubleshooting tip: avoid
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.